Garage doors that only open or close halfway can be super annoying and even a bit sketchy when you're trying to get in or out fast. So, here's the deal. First, you gotta check those travel limits on your garage door opener. These little settings tell the door how far to go up or down, and if they're off, the door might stop too soon. Next, grab some lubricant and hit the tracks and rollers, because sometimes everything just gets stuck or rough, making the door slow or stop halfway. You also want to look for any stuff blocking the door's path. Could be dirt, toys, or even a weird bend in the track. Don't forget to inspect the sensors near the bottom of the door. If they're dirty or misaligned, they'll freak out and stop the door from closing all the way. Make sure the power source is solid. A weak outlet or loose wire can mess with the opener's performance. Try manually lifting the door to see if it feels heavy or stuck. Sometimes springs wear out and need replacing. Lastly, give the opener itself a once-over. If it's old or noisy, it might be time for a replacement before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with garage doors that open or close partially is ignoring travel limit adjustments, which can easily be fixed by tweaking those settings on your opener's control panel. Another issue is skipping lubrication, which causes friction and slows things down. Just regular oiling with a silicone-based spray keeps everything smooth. The third common problem is not checking for obstructions or sensor misalignment. Clean those sensors and clear the tracks to avoid your door getting stuck halfway. BigHomeProjects.com is clutch for finding trusted local contractors when you need help with stuff like garage door repairs. It also hooks contractors up with real homeowners looking for work, making sure everyone wins without all the headache of hunting around.